Hello friends! Welcome back to another video. Nikon is looking to increase the number of young customers by releasing affordable entry-level cameras. The Nikon Report 2021 has recently been released, detailing Nikon's plans for the future of the imaging company. One of these plans includes introducing new entrance models that will not only be affordable, but will also have good video functionality. With the Nikon D3500 discontinued in Japan, we're not surprised to see Nikon pursuing a new inexpensive entry-level model. While there's no further official information on what kind of camera we could be expecting, it seems likely that it will be a Z-mount camera. The confirmation that this entry-level camera will have good video functionality will help it appeal to an increasingly video-focused market. Plus, this mention in the Nikon Report 2021, via digital camera info, also aligns with the Nikon Z30 rumors that we've seen for quite some time. Having a super affordable entry-level camera is the perfect gateway product to introduce new users to a lens system. After all, you already have some lenses that will work with your first camera. Why wouldn't you upgrade within the system so that you don't have to replace everything you already have? Canon and Nikon's mirrorless mounts are currently missing the affordability factor that models such as the Nikon D3500 and the Canon EOS 2000D currently bring to their DSLR mounts. While there is currently no information on what sort of pricing the Nikon Z30 could have, we would love to see this upcoming entry-level Z-mount camera fall around the $600, $700 mark. Not only would this make it super competitively priced, but it would also differentiate it enough from the Nikon Z50, which currently goes for around $850. Nikon hasn't indicated when exactly we'll see this new entry-level camera, so it seems we'll have to wait a bit longer for any further details.